has been in his cage for his whole life. So, like, that one time he went on grass for the very first time, and he was, like, running around on it, because the first time we put Sammy on grass, he was just froze there. And the other time when I brought my dog there, she went on the grass, and so did Sammy. Oh, my God. She went on the grass, and then so did Sammy. But that poor dog is too old. He's a German Shepherd. She went on the grass, and then so did Sammy. Sammy's not here right now, but Sammy went on the grass for the very first time, and I don't even think he cared. And before that, he was scared of grass. Oh my God! I'm so happy. I love Sammy. He's adorable. Sammy rocks. I don't want mornings. I don't do mornings. He. Coffee.